Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to link your YouTube channel with Instagram. So this is so useful if you're a YouTuber and you want to promote your channel on Instagram. What you do is, let me just show you how you would do this. So right now, this is your profile. Here's your name, and in the profile, you could see this URL www.google.com. So of course, that is a very random URL, and you could change it by clicking on edit profile, and here in the website section you would just type in the YouTube URL. So now we'll see how to get that YouTube URL. First, let's just go to YouTube in here, and once we are on to YouTube, what we do is we would just go to our profile. Let me select library, or better still, just select that little DP on the top right, and select your channel in here, the first option. Now what you do is, you see these three dots in here, just tap on these and select share. Okay, now what you do is you copy the link. Okay, so the link has been copied, and here in the website section where previously it said google.com, well, it still says that, you would just paste in that link, right? Okay, now that link is in here, and you could write anything else in your bio if you like. For example, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there you go. Just save that, and anybody who clicks on this would be redirected to your channel. And I would recommend that you post a story as well, so that your followers could see that you've added your channel in your bio. You could just say that I've added my channel link in the bio, so please do subscribe to my channel, and turn your notifications on, or anything you would like to. So this is how you would link your YouTube channel to your Instagram.